Right now, we are staying on top of some breaking news developing at this hour. The FBI releasing a video, several images too, in the disappearance of Nancy Guthrie. She is the mother of today's show co-host Savannah Guthrie. I want to show you some of the video that we're talking about first as we pull this up for you. Go ahead and take a look at your screen here because the FBI Director Kash Patel says this video right here was recovered from Nancy Guthrie's doorbell camera after the recording devices were corrupted or even damaged. Now, he also says these images were just recovered this morning, so we're sharing it with you right now. In the video, you can see who the FBI is calling a person of interest. Again, a person of interest in this case. That video starts out with that person approaching the doorbell camera. The person is wearing a ski mask, gloves you saw right there in the lens of the camera right there as well, and what appears to be a gun in a holster. The person covering the camera with their glove and for a few moments before grabbing some yard waste as well. That clip ends, and the second clip that we pull up there, posted by the FBI, starts with the person trying to cover the camera with that yard waste. Again, that is the latest image that we have right there. Get a good look at your screen. That is what they have been circulating for the better part of the last hour or so. We came in with breaking news just before we wrapped up our noon newscast around 12:55 or so with those images that were released. Again, another vantage point of that image right there with that yard waste in what appears to be the left hand trying to cover up the lens and those gloves that I was just talking about right there as well. Now, Nancy Guthrie, 84 years old, last seen January 31st, and of course her family pleading with whoever is responsible for this disappearance to come forward. And we are hearing from Savannah Guthrie regarding these new images that we're talking about and the videos. She just posted on Instagram sharing those pictures and the footage that we just brought to you. In that first post, she writes, quote, "We believe she is still alive. Bring her home." Again, that is a quote right there. In a second post, she wrote the caption there, "Someone out there recognizes this person. We believe she is still out there. Bring her home." Again, pleading on social media for some semblance of a reconnection with her 84-year-old mother.